Look at that, guys. Look at this. Unacceptable in Michaels. This fire alarm, this is a system sensor spectralert classic. It's in pretty rough shape, and I'm not liking that. I already talked to one of the workers here about this, and she's gonna let her manager know that this thing is kind of destroyed, so I'm not liking this. So Spectre Alert Classic, this is a complete epic fail. I'll probably give this picture to wheelove fire alarm. So this is a follow-up shout out to wheelove fire alarms. So hopefully you like this video, and hopefully you could take a picture of this, or I could help you get a picture of this on your hashtag Instagram for the fire alarm fail series. And have a good holiday, guys. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully they will get this alarm fixed. And look at that. The lens is falling off of the strobe area. Hopefully it still works, or maybe not. So, anyways, that's it.